The Bayraktar TB2 is one of the most talked about military drones of the modern era and has completely changed the way drone warfare is viewed around the world. Developed by the Turkish company Bayraktar, this unmanned aerial vehicle gained global attention due to its effective performance in real combat situations. Unlike many expensive Western drones, the Bayraktar TB2 proved that advanced technology does not always need to come with an extremely high cost. This drone is classified as a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It is designed primarily for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. The TB2 has a wingspan of around 12 meters and can stay in the air for more than 24 hours, making it ideal for long missions without human risk. It is remotely controlled from a ground control station and can operate at an altitude of up to 27,000 feet. One of the biggest strengths of the Bayraktar TB2 is its combat-proven record. It became widely known during conflicts in Syria, Libya, Nagorno-Karabakh, and later the Russia-Ukraine war. In these conflicts, the TB2 demonstrated its ability to destroy tanks, armored vehicles, artillery systems, and air defense units with impressive accuracy. Videos of its strikes went viral on social media, turning the drone into a symbol of modern asymmetric warfare. The Bayraktar TB2 is equipped with advanced electro-optical and infrared sensors that allow it to detect and track targets both day and night. Its laser-guided munitions enable precise strikes with minimal collateral damage. Typically, the drone carries smart micro-munitions such as the MAML and MAMC, which are lightweight but highly effective against ground targets. These weapons make the TB2 deadly despite its relatively small size. Another reason for the drone's success is its affordability. Compared to American drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, the Bayraktar TB2 is significantly cheaper to produce and operate. This has made it attractive to many countries with limited defense budgets. As a result, the TB2 has been exported to more than 30 countries, including Ukraine, Poland, Azerbaijan, Qatar, and several African and Asian nations. The psychological impact of the Bayraktar TB2 should not be underestimated. Its presence on the battlefield often forces enemy forces to change their tactics, disperse equipment, or hide valuable assets. In some conflicts, the drone became a morale booster for Allied forces and a constant threat for opponents. The ability to strike silently from above has made it a powerful tool not just militarily but also strategically. Despite its success, the Bayraktar TB2 is not invincible. Advanced air defense systems and electronic warfare can pose serious challenges to it. As modern conflicts evolve, opponents are learning how to counter drones more effectively. However, the TB2 has already secured its place in military history as one of the most influential drones of its time. In conclusion, the Bayraktar TB2 represents a new generation of warfare where drones play a central role. Its combination of endurance, precision, affordability, and real-world combat success has reshaped how nations think about unmanned systems. Whether admired or feared, the Bayraktar TB2 has proven that drones are no longer just support tools, but decisive weapons on the modern battlefield.